see? We're secretly videotaping Cameron playing with his airplane because he knows how to put the pieces in and get them back out. That won't fit. Cameron, where's your airplane? Oh, there's a ball in that bag. Hi, gorgeous. Hi, gorgeous. Get that ball.
It's music time.
You can get it.
It's music time. Sing with me.
Look what you were doing. Look at your airplane. Hey, where are you going? Cameron. Look at your airplane, silly. Where's your tricks you were doing before? Here's all your toys. They were stuck.
It's music time.
Okay. What's your trick? You can do it.
Go, Rosie. Sing with me.
Daddy just put the backyardigans on. Let's see what Cameron does. See if he's watching. Yay. Where's Pablo? See, we have our own personal Pablo here. We'll see if Cameron will come get it. Cameron, here's Pablo, look. Maybe not. Cameron, where's Pablo? Hey, Ella, look here.
Bye-bye.
It's Pablo. This is the trance that we go into when the Backyardigans are on TV. Here, Cameron, when you're a teenager, you'll see this was your favorite TV show. There's Pablo. There's Pablo. And we have our own personal Pablo right there that we carried to school today. Bye-bye, Cameron. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Cameron.
It's music time.